Okay, let's have a brief closing. We really hope that most of you, actually all of you, have had only at least one aha moment today. Who had at least one aha moment?
Amazing.
Today? Okay, some people, most
you.
of you, let's say.
Yeah.
So this is the closing. You see, there will be the prizes. We need to mention once again our great sponsors, our great speakers, our supporters, you all that stayed that late. Of course, you're here for the wine and the beer, but still, it's important for us. One very quick announcement. Our friends from Nemeček, they are going to have event on 5th of November, which is free event. It's also in the similar area. They really asked us to invite you to this event of Nemeček. So if you want, look for them in Google or scan it or find it. So yeah, it will be very, very good. Yeah, there will be also follow-up email if you read these emails. Okay. So, long story short, let's go to the prizes and let's start. Let's start, Lily. I don't have the list. You have the list. You pick. Okay.
Okay, but you get the prizes then.
Okay, I have the prizes.
Okay. We have many prizes apparently. And there is one special one though, which is particular for a person that was part of a workshop. Just a second, I want to start with it.
Yeah. So Evelyn left, and she has made her own raffle, and there is a book of hers that is going to Polina Jordanova.
This is a gift certificate for 50 euro from Round Trip.
Okay, 50 euro gift certificate from Round Trip is going to Naska. We all know Naska. Where are you? Nasi, where are you? Naska Yankova. Yeah, but I know her, that's why. Yeah. No, it.
Okay, we have a book signed by Stoyan.
So one of Stoyan's book, Perform in Times of Crisis. Let's see.
Diana Manuilova.
Ah, you already picked. Diana Manuilova. Didi. You see, we are like family. We know everyone in the audience. Заповядай.
Another book from Stoyan.
The second Stoyan's book, Perform. The Unsexy Truth About Startup Success.
Eva Slunčeva.
Eva Slunčeva. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Next one.
I see
The
you're
next one
very
is
happy.
another book from, do you remember who was our keynote speaker last year? Jürgen Appel. So this is Startup, Scale Up, Screw Up, his newest book.
This is amazing that we gather 500 people today, actually more than 500 people, and I can almost know everybody by name, so I can call just Lucy. Lucy, come on. Lushka Kokotanekova. Sorry.
Again, Jürgen's second book, same book, but second time.
Jürgen Appel was our keynote speaker last year, if you remember. And you can watch his
Again, the
talk.
The name?
Nina Marinova.
Is Nina here? Nina?
First time, second time, no.
Okay, Nina is not
Okay.
winning. Ah, Nina! Nina is here. Okay, okay.
Nina.
That's why the doors are open.
Книга.
Това е книга на нашия keynote speaker, основният ни лектор от миналата година. Много хубава книга.
Благодаря ви. Радвам се, че спечелих награда.
И не се радваме, понеже имаше въпроси дали лекциите са записани. Да, записани са в тази зала и горе в Вихрен и ще бъдат споделени с вас, така че който не е успял всички да гледа, ще може да ги види.
Кой бяга от 10 лева?
Но може да видите и лекциите от миналата година също в YouTube канала на...
Let's switch in English.
Окей.
Okay. The official...
Светла Бонева.
Светла is winning the business map backpack.
A quick round of applause for Business Map
Yeah.
for providing this.
I promised them to check their solution. So I'm even more encouraged.
This was on recording.
Okay. This is the one of the prizes of our sponsor J Point, and it goes to
Rumen Vutov.
Rumka. Where are you?
If you want to be on the stage, or you can go to there.
Second prize from J Point, Fragile One.
It's not fragile.
Is it fragile or it's not fragile?
Maybe it is fragile. Okay, it is fragile.
It is, yeah.
What is this?
It's perso-
The first reaction is wow. The second is what is this?
it is personalized information table.
Lily,
Okay.
please give us some idea what is this. And yeah.
This will be customized once you get in contact with J Point. It is the informaционна табела translated in English.
And the winner is Elena Gigova.
We have
Let me give that. Okay, Sales Club is getting the next prize, and we need to get the names. The first one,
Dian Radnelov. Radulov. Sorry.
Okay, Diane, your prize is a ticket for Sales Club conference next year, 2026.
You need to go to the sales club stand booth,
Exactly.
which is there, and tell them that you're winning. Which ticket?
It's the one for Sales Club conference 2026.
Sales Club Conference 2026. You can give this to them as well. Yeah,
Okay.
just to give them the name. Nicole,
The
you can
following
take out
5
the others.
tickets will go for tickets again, 5 more tickets from Sales Club. And they are for Лидерски форум, I will say that in Bulgarian, please. Лидерски форум изкуство и уроците на успеха, плюс Денят на жената предприемач. И двете конференции са тази година. Следващите 5 билета са за...
Николай Сапков. First ticket. Да се готви.
На Sales Club booth.
Красимира Калинова. Ето, отиваш и go to the sales club booth and tell them that
Which is
you-
there.
Okay. You can go also with the glass of wine. Добре, това е почерк.
Милена?
Давай. It's really
It's
Лилия
Лилия Петкова. Не, Йонкова. Я виж, това ти ли си? Извинявай.
печелиш билет.
Next one. Дорина Дечева. Тук е някаква... Ще кажем, че е нагласен. Next one. Мариана Ангелова. Това са билетите. За хотела после. след
You
малко.
want tickets for Sales Club event, which I forgot the name, sorry, leader forum, leader woman. Sorry, Vasco.
Лидерски форум, изкуство и уроците на успеха.
Точно така.
The next 7 prizes are vouchers for a set of coaching sessions. So 7 of you will receive such a package by our great coaches. How many of you have been today in a coaching session? Okay. I saw their board was full. I hope that you find your answers. Okay. The first one is Maxim Penev. Пенев.
Максим ли си? Имаме ли друг Максим?
Максим Пенев.
Okay, Maxim is not here. The next one is Biljana Štereva.
Биляна.
Биляна Щерева. И Биляна нямаме нищо.
Окей. Диана Цветкова. Диди. Coaching sessions.
Also, Василина Бабенко, our great partner from Medina Ice Creams lady. She is one of the winners. Yay, hi Vasi. You win coaching sessions.
Next one. Криси Experian. Да. Okay. Next prize is going to Стефка Георгиева, Почасово БГ. Стефи.
Applause, because what we do.
The next one is going to Васил Батинков.
Иван Беров. Ванка!
Ванка. Къде си?
Както си вече известен. Иване, няма как. Ти спечели коучинг сесии.
And Дарина Цветанова. Дари.
И Дари.
And the other very big prize is a voucher for a free game, True Detectives game, for you and your team. So let's see who is going to win.
Do you want it? Nice.
So the great winner is Румяна Василева.
Румяна Василева.
So Vidas, a great package, gift package is
Heavy
going to Daniela Тодорова.
Браво.
And
And
now
the
we
big
want
winner.
to welcome
His name is...
Let's welcome, say few words. This is the big prize. Come and ти се извади. Yeah. And the big prize, weekend for two in Terme Hotel is going to
Симеон Ангелов.
Симеон, Монка. Good try. Okay, Simeon is not winning. Let's see who's going to be the next one. Okay, аз ще държа, ако искаш.
Елизабет Димитрова.
Лизи, аплаус. Моля, ето от... Не.
Thank you, Cool Fit, everybody, please. You should really thank them because they provided this prize and also being sponsors for this conference.
Thank you for being with us today. It was amazing.
I would like to invite all the volunteers, Milena, Lily, everybody on stage, please, because those are the people behind everything that was happening today. Come in front, please. You should be in front. You've been in the backs all day. Now you should be in the front. Please.
Okay.
Do we have everybody?
Most of.
So as you can see, this is not just 3 people. These are many people who are part of this. You can also do same selfies with us.
Okay, beers and wine. Now.
Beers and wine, everybody there.